Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Skoda Karoq SE Technology. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the DSG automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 10,000 miles and comes with full service history with Skoda. This particular colour is the metallic business grey and looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got a nice clean interior. As you can see, the seats are in great condition, really nice and comfortable too. There's also a armrest there in the centre there for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has cruise control, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The Karoq's a great car for the family, so nice wide door opening, lots of legroom and headroom there in the back, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre, as well as a 12-volt socket, and then you've got these brilliant fold-away picnic tables with a cup holder, which the kids would love. As we open the tailgate, you've got a really good sized boot there, nice and square and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have some extra storage, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.